In 2022, Italia Conti moved into a modern purpose-built facility in Victoria Place in the heart of Woking. The building is over 48,000 square foot, set over 2 floors, with 24 state-of-the-art rehearsal studios, one-to-one coaching rooms, a gymnasium, a theatre, TV and film suites, and a recording studio. Our purpose-built facility has 24 state-of-the-art rehearsal studios, including dedicated and multi-purpose spaces for acting, dance and musical theatre training. Our studios have Harlequin sprung floors and dual-height metal black ballet bars. All of our acting studios are black box with access to a well-stocked prop store and feature a piano and an integrated sound system. All studios have Wi-Fi connectivity for playing music for sessions. Italia Conti has an 80-seat, fully equipped black box theatre, which is perfect for productions across the disciplines. The hub is a space for students to relax, socialise, take breaks. The area has a student kitchen where meals can be stored and prepared. A stone's throw from our main facility is the Rona Maggiore Theatre, which can be used for large Italia Conti performances. The theatre has a capacity of 228 seats and is part of the new Victoria Theatre, Woking's central hub for theatre and the arts. Next to the Rona Maggiore is the Buzz Theatre, a new 84 fixed-seat, fully equipped studio theatre with retractable seating. Moving to Woking is the latest chapter in Italia Conti's history, and we are confident it will be our best chapter yet.